By donating and subscribing to DJ Custom's YouTube channel, you can help Darion finish his project car. If you don't subscribe, he will make you suffer by continuing to make shitty quality YouTube videos for you to watch. Thanks for watching.
That was scary.
This back up.
Don't lose the key.
It's not hard to not lose the key.
Okay.
I always X the back ones and tie straight on the fronts.
Okay. Wait that at. Come on. Here we go again. So here it is. By the way, I left my camera on the roof when I was filming the Starlink video. It just so happened to rain that day and I forgot about it, and I was looking around for the camera and I was like, where the is it? And then it hit me. I was like, dude, that camera is on my roof right now. From now on until I get my camera back, this is kind of the shitty quality videos that you guys are gonna get from now on. By the way, I'm looking over here, but the lens is right here, and I don't know why I do that, but I do it, so. But anyway, I got her in my own shop. This is the coolest thing that's happened today anyway. 1983 Fox body Mustang, blue in color with a T-top. Pretty cool. We're gonna start making some videos with this car, or we're gonna sell it. I don't know, sorry about my thumb. I do have a LS 6.0 that I built for this car, but you know, it's been 2 years and plans change, so we'll kind of see what happens. But here she is. I'm just not made for this old type stuff. I'm too weak. I'm weak. This is it's a nice car though. It is nice. This thing's gonna be a lot of work. A part of me wants to sell it and buy something that's gonna be a little bit more of a throw together project, and I could just drop the motor into it and run it. And then another part of me is like, Darian, you have the time, you can do it. You can do it, Darian. But that part of me is absolutely so sorry about that hard R. But yeah, look at this thing. Check it out. That's the back. There is absolutely nothing in this car besides carpet, and that's probably gonna come out too because I wanted to weld some supports into it because it's gonna be pushing a lot of power, baby. A lot of power. Let's hook this up to the truck, get the trailer out of here, get this car down on the ground, and we'll do a little walk around and see what's going on with this baby girl. This car does not have a rack and pinion. I think that's what it's called in it. Steering rack? Yeah, it's a steering rack. So each tire in the front end just kind of turns individually. Nothing in between to keep them together. So I'm gonna try to do this on my own. If I can't do it, then we'll call somebody. Hopefully it doesn't fall off the trailer. That'd be cool. That'd be neat. That'd be nice. Vintage bikes. Okay, so I don't know if my jump box is just not giving out power, but this winch is not working out for me. I just almost shit myself. I just paid out a bunch on the winch line, put it in the free mode, let her go until all the slack was out of it, and it was scary. It was scary. To add on top of all that, the steer tires move at the exact way that they want to. There's no real rhyme or reason why they're moving the way they are. Just broke my foot. That was scary. It did not engage. That was crazy. But here we are. We're sitting like this. Check that out. Nice. Yeah. The biggest thing we don't want to happen, the car to go through that wall. But what I'm gonna do is take one of these 2x4s here. Right about there. Maybe that'll stop it from doing anything crazy. Actually, our brake didn't even work. Check that out. Oh, it was just a speed bump. Just a speed bump. It looks good in here. It looks right. It's just like a little rural town with just so happens to have a barn. You know, you drive by on the dirt road and you see that barn and you're just like, I bet my paycheck that there's an unfinished 1980 something Fox body, no motor, just sitting on some Cobra chrome wheels, and you would be right. You would be right, because there is there is in fact one of those sitting right here in this barn. There's a huge part of me that just wants to sell this car. This thing is gonna take so much of my time, and I hate that. But at the same time, there's an even bigger part of me. It's just like you have to finish it, Darian. You have to finish what you started. You got a car, you got the motor, you don't have a trans, you still got to source one of those. If I don't sell it. Very cool. Once these cars are finished, though, I love the way they look. Let me know what you guys think Darian should do. I mean, there's probably gonna be like 2 of you in the comments being like, yeah, and or no. The body is really clean, almost no rust on it. Look at the shock towers. Super clean, a little bit of rust. Pretty clean old shell. But yeah, this is the first time I've seen this car in probably 2 years. Crazy. That's why I should just sell it, get it gone. Move on to something else, you know? Why start now, you know?
Darian has very severe ADHD, if you cannot already tell, hence why he's hired me to stop him from his rambling. Enjoy this neat edit he put together of his cool Fox body Mustang that will probably never see the road again.